In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use your Coinbase wallet to connect to Kyber exchange to make an atomic swap. The main benefit of the Kyber exchange is, first of all, it's decentralized and you can do Ethereum coins swap instantly while your coins are kept on your wallet, that being a hot or a cold wallet. In this particular case, a Coinbase wallet is considered hot wallet while it is on your smartphone. And a cold wallet is considered ledger or Trezor. We will demonstrate that in a different clip. Previously, I've shown how to install the Coinbase wallet and to use it. As you can see at the top of the clip, you can click there and have a look at that clip. Now, here you can see that we are trying to exchange from Ethereum to Link. But another benefit of the Kyber exchange is that they are keeping 3 largest cap USD stablecoins. And that being TrueUSD, USDC, and USDT. USDT has the largest market cap, followed by USDC, which is a Coinbase stablecoin. And that means it's pegged to US dollar 1-to-1. So whenever you have a feeling that your coin, Ethereum, Link, or any other cryptocurrencies on the Ethereum tokens is about to decrease its value, you can change it into USD very quickly to be able to save that fluctuation. So in this particular case, we're going to use USDC, but that is amongst all other coins that you can atomically swap, which means instantly swapping it back and forth. And you can then later on go backwards from USDC back to Ethereum. One thing you have to make sure of is if you're using a Brave browser, for this particular purpose, you have to turn down or turn off your shields. At the moment, the shields are up for this site, so you have to turn it down. So for the Kyber swap, the shields are off. Otherwise, it's not going to function. So then you can put 1 here. You can see how much 1 Ethereum is going to exchange for USDC, which is 205 USDC at this point. And then what you can do is you can see all the different wallets at the bottom that you can use. In this particular case, we're going to use others and the Coinbase wallet. Then you have advanced section here. When you click here, it shows you the gas fee, GUI, on the Ethereum exchange. And that's the amount you pay for the transfer. And that is not the commission that the Kyber charges you. It's just the speed of the transfer. And in order to see the price of the transfer, there is a site that you can go to. So at the moment, the standard speed, lower than 5 minutes, is going to cost you 0.043. Safe flow, which is lower than 30 minutes, is going to cost you 0.026. And the fast is going to cost you 0.065. This is actually considered, one of the more expensive times. So depending on the time and how much transaction is on the Ethereum blockchain, these charges change. But you can see the difference between the 4 cents and the 6 cents is only 2 cents. So if you would like to have the fast transfer to get your transaction through quicker, then you can go for the faster transaction. Normally, it suggests you what transaction to choose. So here at the moment, it says 15. You can go up to 30 as well if you feel that the price is going to change dramatically very quickly. You also can say, still process my exchange rate when it goes down by 3%, or you can put a custom rate here at, for instance, 0.1. So what happens is, if it goes lower than that, it will terminate your transaction, and it will not do it for you. It's time to connect your wallet and you can see the list of wallets here, and Ledger is one of them as a cold wallet. Trezor is a cold wallet that we're going to cover it later on. You go to the others and you choose Coinbase wallet while your shields are down. So the lion's head is grayed out. Then you go to your smartphone and open up your Coinbase wallet. And next to the receive, you click on the window logo, and that should open up the camera for reading your QR code and connect it to your wallet. And then you can click on authorize, and you will see that your wallet has been authorized. And then your transaction will go through. Later on, if you want to disconnect your Coinbase wallet from Kyber, you go to the settings and click on the app links. You will see the Kyber link here, and you can basically disconnect it from your Coinbase. So you choose the app, then you click on the disconnect. And here you can see that now it is not connected anymore.